Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to put you on a very good stock that you can buy and hold for the long term because the company behind this stock is actually very good. They're making a very good comeback and I believe 2021 is definitely going to be their year. I have so much confidence in this stock that I believe the way GameStop GME's share price has been moving, I believe this stock that I'm going to put you on, the share price is pretty much going to be moving the same way in terms of gains. So make sure you guys watch to the end. So in this video, I'm going to go through the company overview, basically who the company is, and then I'm going to go through the fundamentals of this company. So looking at articles, etc., that basically boosts my confidence that the stock is actually going to do well, is going to perform well. And also guys, I'm going to go through my live trading portfolio just to show my position, my overall average, and also I'm going to go through technical analysis, basically looking at price action, which leads me on to the last point of this video is I'm going to give price targets for this. So make sure you guys watch to the end so you understand why I believe this is a good stock. Hi guys, welcome back to Investor Prime TV. David here. If you're new, this channel is a one-stop shop for anything investment. So investment ideas, investment discussions, stock picks, when to get in the market, when to get out. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. So the stock I'm going to put you guys on is Blackberry, so ticker symbol is BB. So I've actually been in this play since it was $6 a share. For me, I got in this play pretty much at the end of last year and I was planning on holding, and I'm still planning on holding for the long term. So at least hold throughout 2021 because I believe they're going to make a good comeback. Or the time I was getting in, I believe they're going to make a good comeback and they're going to start realizing gains within the stock price. I can see that actually they're picking up momentum and the share prices is beginning to increase with a lot of force. So I want to put you guys on this stock before it becomes too expensive. So a lot of you have been asking me what I think of stocks or what I think of a stock, what I think is going to do, the price targets, etc. And I see that a number of you are actually on Chris Sain's 100K challenge. So as part of my video uploads, what I was thinking of doing is that I was thinking of doing some in-depth analysis of some of his stock picks. So I was thinking of doing this every week. So let me know in the comments if this is something you guys would like to see. So I see one of his picks is actually Blackberry, even though I've been in Blackberry for a while. So it actually coincides with this video, which is good. So this video will help a number of you who are actually on your 100K journey and you want to understand why you're in Blackberry. Maybe you're already in Blackberry or you're thinking about getting into Blackberry. So this will help you understand why you're in Blackberry or why Blackberry is a good play to be in. So let's get into the company overview and the fundamental analysis of Blackberry. Guys, so we're currently on Yahoo Finance looking at the profile of Blackberry. So Blackberry Limited, they closed today at $18.92. So they were actually up 4% for the day, 4.9% for the day. And already the after hours price is higher, so they're currently up at 1.2%. So Blackberry are based in Waterloo, Canada. Blackberry Limited provides intelligence security software and services to enterprises and governments worldwide. The company leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning to deliver solutions in the areas of cybersecurity, safety and data privacy, and endpoint security management. So already you know Blackberry is a very good company. Okay, they get government contracts and they provide services and software to enterprises and governments worldwide. So they're a global company. So looking at the summary of Blackberry, so the market cap is 10.6 billion, which is a mid-cap company. So they're already established. They're stable as a company. They've got their ish together, really. It's just 2021 is their year. They've pretty much looking to make a big comeback and looking to dominate the markets. Okay, so the beta is 1.28. So the beta is actually slightly above average, which shows that the volatility within this stock is actually picking up. So like I mentioned, that the momentum of this stock is actually building up. So this is a good time to put you guys on this stock before it goes too far, too quick. So this is very interesting. Okay, so the volume, today's trading volume was 230.1 million shares being traded. Now, in comparison to the average volume, which is 33.9 million shares being traded, the figures are right there. You know, like I told you, this stock is picking up momentum. There's a lot of interest, buying interest within this stock. And this is where I compare this stock to GameStop. GameStop share price, the way it's been taken off. BlackBerry is going to do the exact same. So if we have a look at what the analysts are saying, so currently the analysts are actually saying or implying to hold this stock, or saying that this stock is a good hold right now. So again, this is a good time to get into BlackBerry, because if you get in now, by the time this becomes a buy or buy strong, you would have been in the money for a long time. All right, that's some options lingo, but basically you'll be in profit, okay, for a long time. I've been in BlackBerry since $6. I've got in 2 different times and my average is about $9 now. Okay, so if we look at the article on Yahoo Finance, why BlackBerry stock has been skyrocketing. Okay, so if I point you guys down to this section, so the Director of Research at Strategic Analysis Corporation, Gilbert, said the surge in BlackBerry stock can be attributed in part to the strategic shift to cybersecurity. Gilbert added that the partnerships with Amazon Web Services in December, as well as its recent patent settlement with Facebook, are acting as a catalyst to awaken the long dormant stock. BlackBerry again involved in making partnerships with the likes of Amazon and Facebook. So already you can see the potential within this company, right? Because they're dealing with huge companies, Amazon and Facebook. So, and what BlackBerry stands for in terms of cybersecurity is a huge thing, okay? There's a lot of potential for this company because nowadays everything's online, etc. So cybersecurity is pretty much at the utmost importance for a lot of people, a lot of businesses. So there's a lot of good things to come for BlackBerry. So if we look at the chart of BlackBerry, okay, as you can see, pretty much there's been a huge move. Like, it pretty much started around November. So it went from $5 a share to where it currently closed at $18.90. And as you can see, the aftermarket is still moving. It's currently at $19.50. This stock is pretty much going to start running away from us. Okay, this is pretty much where I initially got in at $6.72. All right, so looking at BlackBerry at the moment, okay, so it's pretty much made a huge move. Okay, so it's pretty much pierced the outer band of the Bollinger Band. So it dipped back towards the moving average. So basically the 20 period moving average. So I'm expecting a dip around there. So maybe around $16, $14. And then this will be a great time to buy. So what you can do is you can actually buy initial shares at this price. And then every time there's a dip, you average down. So you buy more shares basically when it's cheaper. So that way your overall average cost is less. Once that dip happens and the bulls take back control, then the price will take off. If it doesn't already do that within the next couple of days, because the amount of shares that's been traded in BlackBerry, I wouldn't be surprised if this takes off very quickly. So guys, get involved in BlackBerry. As you can see, my live trading account portfolio, so basically my balances breakdown. So my overall balance, my net liquid in US dollars is 17,700. And in Great British Pounds is 12,400. So I've got 50 shares in BlackBerry at the moment, okay? And as you can see, my average cost is $9.72. So I initially got in about $6.70. And like I mentioned, I took another position, but the price was a bit higher. So I ended up averaging up, which I actually don't mind doing because I've got a lot of faith in BlackBerry long term and I'm going to hold this stock long term. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually hoping that there's a dip in BlackBerry so I can buy more shares. Make sure you guys get in on BlackBerry because it's ready to take off. And my price prediction for BlackBerry, I believe it's actually on its way up to $40 a share. Okay, so right now you can see a huge move that is currently at $20. So I believe that it's actually going to double in price. This could be very soon. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, comment below. Let me know if you guys are getting on BlackBerry. If you guys were thinking about BlackBerry or if you guys are already in BlackBerry, let me know in the comments below. And I'll be doing reviews and I'll be doing recap videos on BlackBerry as I go along. Okay, so basically letting you guys know my plans for BlackBerry, my thoughts on where BlackBerry is at that point in time. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.